Phil Strebel, Europe is melting down once again. Spanish yields are over 7%. Everyone is streaming into the dollar. Why is gold not a refuge anymore?
Well, the gold is actually a refuge against the euro currency and some of the other currencies. We're seeing gold prices move up aggressively against them if you look at that cross rate. The problem is that gold priced in US dollar terms isn't doing that well because of the fact that the dollar is gaining so much purchasing power against it. So unless we see the dollar index come off quite a bit, you're not going to see gold prices break out of this range.
Will we see some central bank gold selling from European nations to further drive down the price?
Yeah, I really believe that some of these central banks are going to definitely reassess their gold holdings and other physical commodities that maybe they have surpluses of, or they're not producing any kind of income or revenue for them. They'd most likely lighten those and then use some of that funding for something else to shore up their banks, really.
Well, it's the last asset they have. So give me your technical levels on gold right now. It seems like it's holding in that 1550 support level. What happens if we break that?
Well, just below that's like 1532 and 1525. I've been entertaining the idea of looking at put options that are relatively cheap just to have that as a safety net in case the market completely falls apart. Maybe 1500 or 1520. But we'll most likely kind of play this range where it's like a rubber band and it gets down to 1550, start testing the water a little bit, 1530, 1525, you test it a little bit more. If it breaks 1500, I think you got to get out. And then as it gets up to 1600, release some of your gold there and wait and see if we break 1620 or move back up above 1620. So those are your support and resistance levels. But I think ultimately still the way the chart is setting up, we're going to see a breakout to the upside.